Good day and welcome to the Lockdown Chronicles. Lately in the news, there's been a lot of discussion concerning vaccines. And these discussions range from positive, but unfortunately, there's been a lot of misinformation, things that are being said about vaccines that really are not true, and that may actually make us not use a very useful tool if and when a vaccine does become available for COVID-19. A lot of us who were born and do live in third world countries are alive or not significantly disabled because we received vaccines for TB, vaccines for polio, and vaccines for other illnesses that are prevalent in our areas. Our bodies are configured like countries. We've got defense systems that start with borders like a country. In this case, the borders are composed of the skin and the lining of things like the mouth, the intestines. Those are called mucosa linings. They provide the first form of defense against invading organisms. Then we've got an army inside the body called the immune system, which is composed of specialized units. What happens, say, like an organism enters your body, attacking your body? When it breaches the borders, a bell is rung to alert the soldiers by the immune system. Come on, guys, we've been invaded. Special soldiers in the body go and identify the invading organism, arrest it, lift it up, and the killer cells, specialized units, kill the invading organisms. And that invading organism, its memory, go into what are called memory cells. So that next time that enemy invades the body does not have to start from scratch. It already has a specialized unit that is specifically made to attack and kill that particular invading organism. And those soldiers would then attack and kill. So that the next attack, there will be a better response, more robust, within a shorter period of time. That is what vaccination, immunization takes advantage of. An artificial enemy, the vaccine, which is not a disease-causing entity, but very similar to the disease-causing entity, is introduced into the body. The body thinks it's the real enemy and initiates a very robust immune response that goes into the memory for that particular organism. So that when the real organism comes in, it is attacked robustly within a shorter period of time and it is overcome. That is the science that vaccination is based upon. Vaccines are good. Viral diseases rarely have cures. They depend on vaccination. We will continue with a discussion on vaccination next time. Please do send me questions in the comment section. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Like it and share with your friends. My name is Kanyanta Sunkutu. I love you guys. Until next time, these are the COVID Chronicles. See you. Stay safe. Be safe. Thank you.